Hi, welcome to Zegal. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how we use our document preview, Zegal's own in-app editor. After you're done building your document, click on Preview and it'll take you to our in-app editor. As you can see, our document preview consists of tools much like your average Word document. Click on Edit on the top right to get started. Feel free to edit the text. You can also explore the functions presented on the toolbar above. There is also a formatting sidebar which you can open and close using the icon on the top right. We have all sorts of features, including adding images, tables, table of contents, as well as adding headers and footers and setting up page numbers. Once you're done editing, it's really important to hit save so you don't lose any of your changes, and you're good to go. Please make sure to check out our other videos that teach you how to use other features on Zegal. Thank you so much for watching and using Zegal.